I want to help you do some preparation for your Wikipedia cell site. And this is how we can get all the images and the text into our pages to start. So for this project, you can go to Google and type CellSite Wiki. And this first link that comes up, CellSite Wikipedia, if I click on it, here's the cell site that we are going to build. So just take notice of it. We're going to be building possibly these tabs up at the top, but really what I'm interested in is this main area starting with cell site and ending with the See Also section. So you're not required to build anything after that point, such as these references or external links. So going back to the top, I'm going to start by right-clicking on my images and doing a Save Picture As. And I have on my desktop a web design folder, Wiki Cell Site, and I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to call it Images. And look at the file name that is generated for me here. And I don't think I like that, so I'm going to go with something simpler. And I'll just call it Tower01. I'll call this one Tower02. Right click, save, Tower03. Right click, save picture as Tower04. And finally, Tower05. And I'm going to scroll down. I do not want you to include this image or this or this. So only include the images that I show you in this video. This one I want. Save picture as. It's called Cell on Wheels, so I'll just call it COW. And I want this one. Looks like a palm tree, so I'll call it Palm. And that looks like all of the images that we really need. Ah, this book. Let's grab this book. Right click, say picture as. Book, and notice the file format is a PNG. The next thing that I'm going to have you do is go and grab the text. So watch how I do this. If I just drag select all of this, my images and my captions are included, and I don't want that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab a piece at a time and copy. And I'm going to launch Dreamweaver and imagine that I'm starting at a blank page. There we go. And when I edit, I don't want to paste. I want to paste special. Text only. I don't want to have any of the structure or any of the HTML code come with it. I just want the text only. And there it is. And I'll just separate it manually and come back over here to the cell site and grab my next bunch of text and copy it and edit, paste special, so that I only get text only. I'm just hitting return there, and then I'm going to grab all of these paragraphs and copy those. And look what happens if I paste. If I just did a regular paste, like I said, I get all of this code and the links, and I don't want that. So I'm going to undo and paste special. and text only. Okay, and you would carry on throughout the site to get all of this text. I'm going to go ahead and grab operation and range. Get all this section here. See, I did it again. I'm going to undo, edit, paste special text. I forget to. And channel reuse all the way down to here. Edit, paste special text. Geolocation. Edit, paste special text only. And I'm just going to grab, just that. Copy, edit, paste special text only. So you'll notice this starts to go pretty fast. Let's go ahead and separate. The reason I'm making these separations here is these are going to be headers. Temporary setup. Edit, paste special text only. Emergency power. We're almost done here. Camouflage. Edit, paste special, text only. And this C only section, and I will stop at that section. Good. Alright, so it's just text. And if I scroll back up to the top, I'll notice between CellSite and From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, in between there's a horizontal rule. So I can go back to my page and insert right here after CellSite, HTML, horizontal rule. And that looks good to me. And I want to do that for all of the horizontal rules. And notice I bypass this contents. I don't want this right now. I'll show you how to build that later. We're just interested in most of the basic text. Operation has a horizontal rule after it. Insert HTML, horizontal rule. So I'm going to try to show you how to use the interface wherever we can. Camouflage has a horizontal rule after it. And C also has a horizontal rule after it. Okay, there's your basic setup. So at this point you have all of your images and you have most of your text and the horizontal rules in place to get you started.